Today's video is one big experiment: how to deal with a zombie horde.
We have breaking news, folks. This just in. Zombie hordes have invaded every major city across the globe. World leaders are meeting to have crisis talks, and in the meantime, the military have been dispatched to try and deal with the crisis. But nobody quite knows how to get rid of these zombies. Please stay inside, lock all your doors, keep your pets indoors. Do not go anywhere near these zombies. They will attack. You have been warned. Butte, I decided I could not just sit idly by. I had to try and help with the zombie crisis, so I'm going to do it in my own way. I'm going to turn myself into a zombie. I'm going to infiltrate the hordes and work out what their weakness is and how to kill them. It's the only way I can help, and if you want to help too, then please turn yourself into a zombie and do exactly what I'm doing. It's the only way. So in order to do that, what you need to do is first draw out all the areas of your face that you want to create torn zombie skin. Then you want to make some zombie teeth out of polymorph plastic. These are little beads which you heat up in very hot water. Then they go clear and malleable, and you can mold them into whatever shape you like. So make your teeth, stick them on your face with some skin adhesive, and then start building up that torn zombie skin with lots of latex and lots of cotton wool. Make sure there's plenty of latex saturated on that cotton wool, folks, and make sure you're really sculpting it in with those tools. To really ensure that you are properly blending in with the rest of the zombies, you can't be having that normal human coloured skin. Oh no, you've got to make sure that you're looking quite dead or rotted. I myself decided to go for this beautiful green complexion. Now, to further ramp up your zombie look and make sure you're really blending in fully with that zombie horde crowd, you want to make sure you've got some nice yellow teeth. You're a zombie, you're not really going to be visiting your dentist, are you? Not unless he wants to get eaten. So you want to paint your teeth a lovely yellow colour and just add some brown in for that extra rotted effect. You also want to ensure that those really fleshy areas look nice and bloody and red. build up layers of colour and lots of deep dark red areas to make yourself look really authentic. The key here is you want to look as realistic as possible, because otherwise, like I keep saying, that zombie horde are going to see straight through you, and you do not want to get attacked. I cannot emphasize that enough. You do not want to get attacked. You need to make sure you're looking as much like a zombie as possible. Oh, and you want to make sure that you paint around those eyes too, because zombies they never sleep. They don't sleep, so they're very, very tired. Now, to add even more depth and really sell your undead disguise, you want to go in with some dark eyeshadow. Add it around all those areas where you want to look more hollowed out and more rotted. So your cheekbones, around your eyes, your temples. I decided to add a bit of an overgrown nature look to my zombie as well. I figured that maybe my zombie had been laying in a forest somewhere with a bit of greenery growing over her face. So I went in with some green face paint, and I even added a little bit of moss. But you know, how you decide to do your zombie in order to join the zombie horde is entirely up to you. You do you. Oh, and at the last minute I realised I had to paint my lips black to, really sell the illusion of the fact that these zombie teeth are my actual teeth. Didn't want my lips showing through. That would be a dead giveaway, if you'll excuse the pun. Don't forget to get your highlight on. So highlight any areas that are meant to be more prominent, such as those eye bags. goes without saying that zombies do not have clean hair. You know, they're not going to be having a shower, are they? So work some conditioner through your hair to make it look really lank and greasy. And I also painted my hair green so it matched my face. But again, your zombie, your choice. And we are done. So you're probably wondering what actually happened when I infiltrated that zombie horde. So if you like this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe if you're new here, and if you're old here and you haven't yet subscribed, definitely subscribe or I will send the zombie horde after you. And thank you for watching. I shall see you next time.